Kevin was referred to us by one of our very good and trusted friends. We have an investment here we're trying to take care of, and we wanted to go with the absolute best. And Kevin exceeded all of our expectations. He got this roof done in about 5 days. We've had some really hot, crazy weather over the last couple weeks. They were here every day, like at 6 o'clock in the morning. They worked till like 7 o'clock at night. They got the job done. And what I was most impressed with, not only the quality of the work that they did, but the quality of the people that worked for him. They were very nice people. They maintained our property at all times. They were very cognizant of the fact that, you know, we had some furniture we wanted to protect and some shrubbery we wanted to protect, and they made sure at the end of every day they cleaned everything up. They made sure that there was no debris. So can't say enough nice things about Kevin and his crew. Quality guys, would hire them again in a second.
It was a quality job by Quality Roofing and Construction.